We're on the road, we're traveling, and we have a situation. We need a new part for our water heater. We need a new circuit board. What are we gonna do? We are in the middle of nowhere. No problem, because Amazon has lockers. Super cool. Go in there, find what you need on Amazon, select a location that's near you for an Amazon locker. Once you have your item added to your cart and are ready to check out, hit the Change Delivery Address button, scroll down, and find a pickup location near you. Then put in where you are or where you want to pick up, and it will show you if there are any available lockers near you. If it says it needs an Amazon app, that means that this one is Bluetooth and there will not be a code. And then you say pick up here, and now you are ready to place your order. There are some restrictions to using the locker, such as size requirements, so it may not always work for your needs. Some lockers use codes and have a keypad, and some use Bluetooth from your Amazon app on your phone to open the locker. Once an item has arrived at the locker, you have 3 days to pick it up, otherwise it is automatically returned. In your Amazon app, it will show you when your item is ready for pickup. And so here I am. It says ready for pickup until Thursday. I'm going to touch it. And when I'm ready, I'm going to hit start pickup. So we are here at our Amazon locker. I am going to start my pickup. It's got my face. And this is all Bluetooth now. Oh, it's connecting to locker. I'm going to say open locker, so watch this. Open locker. There it is. Here's my item. We have found that while traveling, it is challenging to get things we need due to lack of stores where we are, and sometimes we take advantage of the Amazon locker. The lockers are easy and fun, but they aren't available in every area. Sometimes we have sent items general delivery to a local post office if they are being shipped USPS, and other times we needed to stay in a campground to have packages sent there. Getting packages delivered on the road is certainly being made easier by having Amazon lockers, and we hope they continue to expand this service.